Hey, you're at Usitility, Gamer's Best channel. Now you will find out how to download and install the Castle Clash on PC, therefore, we can enjoy with keyboard and mouse even on a large screen. No need to stick the eyes on a small screen, but it's the time to experience Castle Clash on PC. Simply concentrate on the display and watch the video step by step. Therefore, let's begin. To begin with, open up any browser such as Google Chrome and you should click the link provided in the video description. This is the website link that you need to use. You'll automatically be forwarded to this web page of BlueStacks Castle Clash. BlueStacks is a program to install any kind of Android game on the computer system, so let us install Castle Clash using this method. BlueStacks runs as an emulator, and making use of a keyboard and mouse, you can play any Android game on your PC. Only, press on Download Castle Clash for PC, and then this game will be installed on your laptop or computer. Here it is, BlueStacksInstaller.exe. We go to the file that has been downloaded. If permission or terms appear on the screen, then you'll definitely need to respond with yes and then accept them. I will minimize the browser, so we can view the game installer much better. Now I am going to opt for the directory where I'd like to install Castle Clash. If you want to customize the directory, you'll then only click Customize Installation. Then, just click here on Back, and then press Install Now. It'll download some megabytes. The download of the game is determined by internet speed. It'll then install the emulator on your system. The installation of the emulator is finished. As BlueStacks has been installed first time, therefore it is gonna take the time to launch. The next task is vital. We have to log into Google Play. Let us head over to Sign In. When you will head over to it, you will be required to provide the necessary information to log into Google Play. Remember that installation won't be started without this step. I'll be back after this particular step. Just like we've described, we will input email as well as password to get access to Google account. Look, we've entered in our Google account. You're meant to accept the terms of use, and for this purpose, only hit on I agree. It asks for making a backup of the system in the cloud storage, but we do not need it, so we press No. Note that this specific device is like a mobile phone or a tablet, and it will give us the choice to create a backup of the files within the cloud if we lose it and want to recover it. We now have accepted the terms and we have entered Google Play. If you'd like to return to the desktop, you should click on this tiny arrow. On your emulator screen, the icons of BlueStacks and BlueStacks Multi-Instance will be displayed. BlueStacks icon is basically for starting the BlueStacks app. Now, to install the game, we would simply click this icon. After finishing all the essential steps, we have ultimately gotten to the installation step. See, we're going to hit on Google Play in order to install this thrilling game. Google Play will also require you to set up the account plus the payment method. For the time being, we should move forward without customizing the payment method, so because of this we will hit on Skip. The game installation has been started, and now, the game will be downloaded within the laptop. In case you have a fast internet connection, then it will not take such a long time to download Castle Clash. So as to keep the length of the video short for you, I will skip this step and will return after downloading. After installing the game, the icon of Castle Clash has appeared on the computer's desktop, so we are able to directly begin Castle Clash. When we reboot the computer, we double-click this specific Windows desktop icon, and then the game will launch. You can even go to the game through BlueStacks. Click here to start out Castle Clash and have fun. You may also modify the options of keyboard from right here. Anyways, keyboard configurations already seem to be ideal, therefore we will just close these settings. First of all, let me tell you the two main big screen solutions. This is actually to maximize the emulator. You will get full screen with a border. It would not be a 100% full screen. Press F11 to have 100% full screen, and then press the same key to exit. Like that, we will be able to play in full screen without having anything from Windows disturbing us. In case you have a powerful laptop, it will better assist gaming within an emulator. Want to find out how to alter the language? Let's explore it. To change the language, select this cogwheel and then press on Preferences. You can choose any language from this point that you want to. I've eventually altered the language, C. Anyhow, this is the game setup. Quite simple. I will keep posting such useful stuff for all of you, therefore, please subscribe to Usitility as well as give a thumb up to this video. Thanks for viewing. We'll be back again with more such videos.